The difference between winners and losers in business isn't talent. It's not intelligence. It's not luck. It's not having the best product or best connections. It's how you think. Because here's the truth. Your mindset will make or break you. Losers see obstacles and quit. Winners see obstacles and they find solutions. Losers play not to lose. Winners play to dominate. Today, I'm breaking down one of the business mindset shifts that separates high performers from everyone else. And if you apply this shift, your business, your income, and success will never be the same. Let's dive in. Losers believe success is fixed. They think people are either born with it or they're not. Winners believe success is built. They know it's the result of relentless learning and action. This is the mindset shift that determines everything. Losers say things like, I'm not good at sales, instead of, I can get better if I train. They say, I don't have enough money to start a business, instead of, how can I make it happen anyway? They say, I'm tired and it didn't work, instead of, I'll adjust and try again. Winners refuse to accept limits. They believe every skill, every result, every opportunity can be developed. Are you actively improving your skills, or are you just assuming you're not good enough? Are you taking ownership of your success or making excuses? Are you learning from your failures, or are you letting them define you? Winners never stop learning. Losers never start. If you don't believe success is something that you can build, you'll never have it. Now, let's talk about how this mindset shift changes the way you handle failure. Losers see failure as proof they aren't good enough. Winners see failure as a data point that moves them forward. Thomas Edison failed 10,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Michael Jordan got cut from his high school basketball team, but became the GOAT. Jeff Bezos, he lost billions on bad ideas before Amazon became a multi-trillion-dollar empire. But here is a difference. Most people fail once and then they quit. High performers fail and refine their strategy until they win. Didn't close a sale? Did you review your call and refine your pitch and try again? Marketing campaign failed? Did you analyze the data and adjust your approach? Struggling in business? Did you reach out for coaching or stay stuck in frustration? Winners use failure as fuel. Losers use failure as an excuse to stop. The more you fail, the closer you are to success if you learn from it. We help business owners and sales professionals turn setbacks into comebacks. If you're ready to build an unstoppable mindset and start winning more consistently, let's build that success plan. Apply for coaching below. Now let's talk about how winners take massive action and how losers hesitate. Losers hesitate. They analyze, overthink, and wait for the right time. Winners act. They move fast, they adjust, they make progress while others are still waiting. Think about Jeff Bezos. If you had waited for the perfect moment to start Amazon, someone else would have built it first. Think about Grant Cardone. If he had waited until he was ready to start investing in real estate, he'd still be broke. The people making the most money aren't the ones who wait until they're ready. They're the ones who take action and figure it out as they go. Are you taking bold action daily? Or are you waiting for the perfect moment? Are you making moves? Are you stuck in analysis paralysis? Are you executing at a high level? Or are you watching others win? Losers wait. Winners create momentum. Your biggest problem isn't a lack of knowledge. It's a lack of execution. So here is your challenge. Which of these shifts do you need to apply right now? Do you have a growth mindset? Or are you making excuses? Do you use failure as fuel? Or are you letting that stop you? Are you taking massive action, or are you hesitating? The best don't just think differently, they execute differently. If you are serious about transforming your mindset and scaling your success, let's build that next level strategy, apply for coaching below, and let's get to work. And if you get value from this, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping high performance business strategies every single week. See you on the next one.